Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how to make a jean purse.
Yeah. So they might go
I'll be using my jean trouser, the leftover of a jean trouser that I have, and I'm using Ankara for the lining. So you can just mix different jean colors and use to make the purse, okay? So what you are going to do is you are going to take a square shape, or you can use a paper to just shape it and cut it out. So cut it out as I'm cutting mine. That's exactly what you are going to do. So when you are done cutting it out, you are going to now place the different colors of jean together side by side. So it depends on how wide you want the jean to be, the jean purse to be. So you are just going to place it different colors, and you are going to do it and stitch them together. So let me just place it and you see what I mean. After placing it this way as a guide, you are going to take it one by one and stitch them. Okay, so I'm just stitching it and I stitch it as a line. So this is how it is. Then you are going to now join them together. You see what I just did? So you join it together underneath. So you take one step and join it. So this is me after joining it, and I'm going to pipe it. So to pipe it, you can just cut out 1 inch of your jean fabric and use it to pipe one side of the jean. Okay, so use it to pipe one side of the jean purse. After stitching it, you can shape it as you want. So I ended up shaping mine when I was joining the sides, the jean together. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how it looks when I'm done stitching. So pin it up. After you've pinned it up, you are going to just pipe it and fold it, then you stitch. So the piping is you are stitching like 1 cm. You are stitching it and you are leaving like 1 cm. So that's what I mean. You are leaving 1 cm, and that's what you use as your piping. So it's going to be on one side. Don't worry, when you finish stitching it, you will see that, you'll see what I mean. I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and show you how it looks. So this is it after piping. Then I'm going to attach the zip. So because I don't have this iron zip, I ended up using this normal zip. So place the Ankara in between the zip and the jean. Okay, so you place the Ankara in between the zip and the jean and you stitch it on both sides. So this is the outer part, this is the jean part. Can you see it? Can you see this is the jean part, and also the Ankara is the inner for the lining piece. So you can also do this purse and use an Ankara fabric for it. Okay, so I actually love both sides, I might say. So what you are going to do, you are now going to stitch it round, and while stitching be very careful so that you will not stitch the zip area, so you can shape it when you are stitching. So I'm done stitching it. I'm going to open it up. So when you are stitching it, open up the bottom part so that you will not close it, because I ended up closing mine. Then I had to use my tool to open it up. Okay, my seam ripper. So just open up a bit and you can turn it. So you can just, while stitching, you can shape it any shape you want, or when you want to cut, you can also cut it as a circle purse and make it a circle. Okay, so I wanted an irregular shape. So when I was stitching, I had to just make a few adjustments to give that shape that I needed for the purse. So this is the inside with the lining. Can you see it with the lining piece? Then I'm stitching the bottom. Then this is it with the jean. Okay, so that's it. Basically, I'm done with making the purse. You can also add hooks to the zipper so that you'll be able to hang it like a purse. Okay, so but I did not add anything to it. This is just it basically. So this is mine. You can go ahead and try making yours and make it as well as you want. And also, if you want to make yours, don't use a stretchy jean. My jean fabric was actually stretchy, so that was why making it a different shape was okay for me. But if it was not stretchy, I wouldn't have bothered. Okay, so when making yours, don't use stretchy jean fabric. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you and have a blessed day. Bye guys.